All right, high wind warnings in effect for Albuquerque up into Santa Fe, down to Socorro and Garrazoso. And we're going to be looking at increasing wind through the day this afternoon, 55 to 60 mile per hour gusts from between 3 and 5 o'clock. Then, of course, once the sun goes down, strongest winds move in 8 to 9 o'clock, 65 to 70 mile per hour gusts. And, of course, in those wind-prone areas, mouths of the canyon, we'll be looking at 65 mile per hour gusts with the strongest right along the foothills and up in the heights. And even by midnight, still going strong. So the winds should start to taper off by tomorrow morning. The wind, the first part of the story, we have winter storm watches in effect. This is for tomorrow and Saturday for Albuquerque and most of the state. Winter storm warnings have been issued, though, out across the western plateau, and that will start at midnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. We're already seeing snow up in Colorado, Utah, out in Arizona out of the system. The system's going to come out of Arizona, move right over New Mexico, and so that's going to bring in the snow, and it is going to linger through the weekend. And even Albuquerque looking like we're going to be able to get in on some of the snow because we have all the cold air that's going to be in place. So the cold air moves in with the cold front today, extreme wind today, and then we'll be watching for a mix of rain and snow up in the northwest across west central parts of the state. Rain changing over into snow for the southwest, changing over into that mix and snow overnight tonight as the colder air moves in. And then as we head into tomorrow, that's when we'll really start to see the snow expand in coverage from west to east. Up in the northeast, east central parts of the state, that's where we're going to see a lot of snow. And of course, the mountains could pick up a foot or more out of this system as we head through the weekend. Friday night into Saturday, that looks like it's going to be the time that we could watch for snow even in the metro area, perhaps lingering into Sunday for us as well. Region by region, southern Colorado, partly cloudy and mixed today, and then of course changing over into snow, all snow in the mountains, and then this weekend on and off snow through Sunday. A little bit farther south in the north and west, scattered mix today, changing over into snow tonight, then scattered snow in the forecast tomorrow into Saturday and Sunday. Highs only in the 30s as we head through the next few days. South and west, partly cloudy today. Could see scattered rain, changing over into some snow for Silver City. A mix of rain and snow this evening, all snow tonight, and then a mixture as we head into tomorrow afternoon, and then this weekend really changing over into all snow as the colder air filters into the southwest. South and east, no rain or snow to talk about today, but we will be watching for it to move in tomorrow, going into tomorrow night, Saturday. A scattered snow in the forecast even for Roswell with highs in the upper 30s to low 40s. Having a hard time sticking. They're not quite cold enough to stick there. Up in the northeast, east central parts of the state, we're really going to watch for heavier snow here. Light snow in the forecast today, heavier tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, especially going into early Saturday. Highs only in the 30s this weekend. Up in the northern mountains, could see a little light snow today. Any snow that's around, blowing around. Of course, whiteout conditions possible with the northern mountains and the east mountains with those winds really kicking up. East mountains 60, 65 mile an hour winds today. Even perhaps a little snow up near the crest there today. And then for the metro area, extreme wind for us today, tonight down to the 20s, and then watching for snow in the forecast tomorrow night, going into Saturday, perhaps into Saturday night and early Sunday. Highs only in the 30s.